What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing my very first piece of Jacoje Fine Jewelry. I'm super excited, so let's get straight into it. So spoiler alert, I actually have already unboxed this and I've worn it for about a week. My dad actually got it for me for Christmas, so huge shout out to him. Thank you so much, Dad. Alright guys, I can't wait any longer, so let's get right into it. So once you open the box, it's a nice little drawer box, which is cool. It slides in there. Really nice packaging. It's like metallic. It's almost like snow. It's like metallic light blue, really cool. So first thing you see when you open the package is this authenticity certificate. It says the chain style, which is a rope chain, the millimeter in length, which is 22 inches, 3.5 millimeters. And it also says the gram weight, which is 22.4 grams of 14 karat solid gold. And then at the bottom it says packed by somebody. I can't quite make out the signature, but shout out to whoever packaged this. Really nice card, by the way. Let's put that to the side. It also comes with a few stickers, a smash sticker, Jacoje logo, and a snowflake. So that's super cool. I'll probably put one of those on my laptop, but here's what you guys all are here for, the actual chain. So it's in this really nice soft bag, and it comes in this plastic baggie, I guess just to keep it safe and locked in. So let's get into it. Here it is. Here's the chain. Let's see if I could show that to you guys up close. There it is. 14 karat solid gold. This thing's really nice. It weighs a lot. It weighs more than you'd think. If you've never bought gold before, gold is heavy. So yeah, it's heavy. It's a lot heavier than it looks, which is really nice because you know you got a quality piece. What I'm also super happy about is it came with this lobster clasp. So unlike other rope chains, it came with this bigger, more durable lobster clasp, which I'm super happy about. I'm not exactly sure if all the rope chains come with it, but I'm glad that this one did. You can see, I don't know if you can see actually, but there's a Jacoje logo on one of the end caps, and then on the other side it says 14 karat gold. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can make that out. 14 karat gold, Jacoje logo. Alright, let's get this thing on, show you guys what it looks like. If you guys haven't watched my other review of this 5mm flat curb from Jacoje Jewelers, go watch that now. It's the most recent video on my channel. I really go in depth about the whole buying process, so go check that out. But we're gonna put that to the side for now and put on this brand new Jacoje rope chain. There we go, there we go. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up neck profile, and then I'm gonna give you a further away neck profile. Disregard this, I cut myself shaving, but anyways. This is the up-close neck profile. You can see it shining already. Super high quality diamond cut rope chain. Super excited about this. It's not too big and it's not too small, which I'm very happy about, because I didn't want it to be like really big and gaudy, but I wanted it to be able to show up, you know? So here we're gonna get a few steps back and show you the neck profile actually on a body. So actually let me move this back a little bit so that you guys can get the whole profile with the body. Hopefully it's shining for you guys. It looks great. I'm almost 6 feet, I'm 5'11", and I weigh about 235 pounds, just for reference. So yeah, this is what it looks like actually on a body. I'll come up a little closer so you guys can see. And I'll step back also. What's great about this chain is you also get a nice side neck profile. I don't know if you guys can really see it right now, maybe if I bend down a little bit, but you get a nice side neck and you can still see it from the back, which I'm very happy about also. It's not giant, but it's a good size. A 3.5 is a really good size for, I would say, for a starter solitaire chain. And at 3.5 millimeters, you should not run into any durability issues. What really stinks about rope chains is that they can't really be fixed. They can be soldered back together, but then you just get like a really big ball of solder on it, which is not very good to look at. But at 3.5 millimeters, you shouldn't have any durability issues. So now that you guys got the neck profile and saw it from all angles, I'm gonna zoom in so that I can take a millimeter reading with these calipers. So let's put these on and squeeze. 3.43 millimeters. Let's check a different part. 3.38, 3.37. And 3.43. So that's about as good as you can get with a diamond cut rope. Again, they are gauged before the diamond cuts, so keep that in mind when you're purchasing. In case you guys were wondering, it did come in at the specified 22.4 grams. I don't have my scale on me right now, but just for peace of mind, it did come in at that specified weight. All in all, guys, I am really happy with this chain. I hope to wear it for years to come. I've been a Jacoje fan for many years now, and this is finally my first piece of Jacoje Fine Jewelry. So I'm super excited about it. Shout out to Braden and Raquel over at Jacoje Fine Jewelry. Thank you guys for such a good quality piece. Here is, one more time, the neck profile, a little bit zoomed in. There is in front, and then if I tuck it, you get the nice side neck on the side, which is really nice. It's a really classy look, I think, and then hopefully you guys can see it from the back. It's really shining under these lights, and then it'll shine even better under actual sunlight, so just keep that in mind. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.